Today, you will learn how to wrap text around an image in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Now go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures, then insert any image into your document. Once your image is inserted, click on the image. As soon as you select it, you will see a small button on the right side of the image. This is called the Layout Options button. Click on it. Now you will see different text wrapping options. The most commonly used ones are Square, which wraps text around the image in a square shape with equal spacing; Tight, which wraps text closely around the edges of the image; Top and Bottom, which keeps text only above and below the image; Behind Text, which places the image behind your text, great for watermarks; In Front of Text, which places the image on top of your text. For most cases, beginners can simply choose Square or Tight. Click on any option and you will instantly see the change. Now let me show you a second method which gives you more control. Click on the image again. Now go to the top menu and click on the Picture Format tab. Here you will find a button called Wrap Text. Click on it and you will see the same options again, plus some extra settings. From here, you can also click on More Layout Options. This will open a detailed settings box. Here you can control things like how far the text stays away from the image, which side the text should appear, left, right, or both sides, and exact positioning of the image on the page. This is very useful when you want a clean and professional layout. Now, here's a pro tip for beginners. After applying text wrapping, you can click and drag the image anywhere in your document. The text will automatically adjust around it. Also, if your image moves when you add text, that's because it is linked to a paragraph. You can fix its position by going to Wrap Text, then Fix Position on Page. This will keep your image in one place. Another useful feature is Edit Wrap Points. Click on your image, go to Wrap Text, and select Edit Wrap Points. Now you can adjust the shape around which text wraps by dragging points. This is great for advanced layouts. That's it. Very simple. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to learn Microsoft Word easily. See you in the next easy tutorial.